Careful. I'm like, oh my gosh.
I was wondering what was that smoking.
Oh my fucking God.
Hold your foot up.
Look at this shit.
Hold your foot up. Oh my
You trying to mold this shit
God.
back?
I done this shit a couple times on my boot.
Oh my God.
I done this shit.
This happens?
Yeah, if you let your boot rub against that, cause the pipe, that's what the only thing I don't like about this pipe.
Oh my God.
Yeah. The stuff to still, this shit is hot.
up.
This shit is hot.
Oh, cause you don't have covers on. So I just got back from my ride, and look at my boot. Ate the fuck out. Wow, the pipe is even smoking.
Yeah, because it's still melting this off. You just pull this.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
Damn.
These shit is
I
done.
just cleaned this shit off.
Are
the
you
other day.
serious? Why you didn't warn me?
I just forgot about it. Not even.
Even still, I don't think I would even been trying to pay that any attention. Let me.
You wouldn't have noticed it because your foot will be resting on it, and being that your foot don't
Look
get
at my
hot.
boot.
Being that your foot don't get hot, you can kind of melt that shit back in there.
Shut the fuck. So why did it burn why are the pipes so hot, for one?
That's when the engine, all pipes are that hot. You just don't get to feel them.
Wow.
Trust me, all pipes are that hot. When the motor is burning fuel.
But I got the Vance and Hines. Is that a cover? The Vance and Hines?
You got a Vance and Hines, you got a slip on.
Okay, so
See,
you don't
so-
have a
so-
slip on.
Right, see a slip on, like if this was a slip on, this part right here, you would just see this exhaust and this would slip on. Like your pipes, the only thing they did was took this back part out and slipped Vance and Hines.
Cause this ain't never happened on my bike. He done melted my shoe. Well, it is on the inside of the foot.
I can show you 3-4 pair of boots like that.
Your motorcycle ate out my shoe. Look at my boot.
That's hot.
It's best to get it off when it's hot, right?
Yeah.
Now that's some hot pipes.
You trust me, they all get that hot.
That was a part of my first ride. I guess I got to get some new boots.